Welcome to this English listening practice video. Today, you will learn real-life English through a simple shopping conversation.
This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to speak English confidently.
We will use slow, clear, and natural English that you can understand easily.
Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and imagine yourself in a real shop.
By the end of this video, shopping in English will feel easy and natural.
Let's start our shopping conversation now.
Part 1. Preparing for shopping. Hi, Jamil. How are you today?
Hi, Jessica. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good too. Are you free today?
Yes, I am free. Why do you ask?
I was thinking about going shopping today.
That sounds good. I also need to buy some things.
Perfect. Shopping is a great way to practice English.
Yes, but I feel shy when I speak English in shops.
That's normal. Many people feel the same way.
I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Don't worry. Mistakes help you learn.
That makes me feel better.
Before shopping, let's make a shopping list.
Good idea. A shopping list saves time.
What do you need to buy today?
I need groceries for my house.
What kind of groceries?
I need rice, vegetables, fruits, milk, and bread.
That's a good list. I also need fruits and snacks.
Let's write everything down.
Okay, first, fruits. What fruits do you like?
I like apples, bananas, and oranges.
Apples are very popular.
Yes, they are healthy and tasty.
Do you know how to ask for apples in English?
I think so, but I'm not sure.
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find apples?"
Excuse me, where can I find apples?
Very good. Your sentence is correct.
Thank you. That was easy.
Yes, simple sentences work best.
How do I ask about the price?
You can say, "How much are these apples?"
How much are these apples?
Excellent pronunciation.
Thanks, I'm gaining confidence.
Now imagine the shopkeeper replies. They are $3 per kilogram.
That sounds reasonable.
How will you say you want to buy them?
I would like 1 kilogram, please.
Perfect English.
I feel proud of myself.
You should. Learning English takes courage.
Let's add bananas to the list.
Okay, how many bananas do you want?
I want 1 dozen bananas, please.
Good. You can say, "I would like 1 dozen bananas, please."
I would like 1 dozen bananas, please.
Very polite.
Polite English is important in shops.
Yes, always say please and thank you.
Now vegetables.
What vegetables do you need?
I need potatoes, tomatoes, and onions.
Great. Let's practice potatoes first.
Excuse me, where can I find potatoes?
That is perfect.
How much are the potatoes?
They are $4 for 2 kilograms.
I will buy 2 kilograms.
Say it in full sentence.
I would like to buy 2 kilograms of potatoes, please.
Excellent sentence structure.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
Now, tomatoes.
You can say, "I am looking for fresh tomatoes."
I am looking for fresh tomatoes.
Very natural English.
Shopping in English is not scary anymore.
Yes, practice removes fear.
Next, I need milk and bread.
Those are daily items.
Where is the milk section?
Nice question.
Can I pay later?
We'll talk about payment in the next part.
I'm excited to learn more.
In part 2, we will talk about snacks, discounts, and offers.
Stay with us and keep listening.
Your English will improve step by step. Part 2. shopping for snacks and discounts. Hello, Jamil. Are you ready to continue shopping?
Hello, Jessica. Yes, I am ready.
Great. In this part, we will talk about snacks and discounts.
Snacks are delicious.
Do you have a favorite snack?
Yes, I love chocolate cookies.
Chocolate cookies are very popular.
Yes, they are so tasty.
In a shop, you can say, I am looking for the cookie section.
I am looking for the cookie section.
That is perfect. How will you ask for specific cookies?
Do you have chocolate cookies?
Good question. You can ask, are there any chocolate cookies here?
Are there any chocolate cookies here?
Good use of any in your question.
Thank you. I'm learning a lot.
Sometimes shops have special offers on snacks. Special offers are exciting.
Yes, I love discounts.
How will you ask for a discount?
Can you give me a discount?
That is a direct question. You can say, is there any discount on these cookies?
Is there any discount on these cookies?
Very polite.
Thank you. You are a teacher in a shop.
You are a good student in a shop. Sometimes shops have sales where prices are lower.
Sales are great.
You can say, when is the sale ending?
When is the sale ending?
Good question. Now imagine the shopkeeper replies, the sale ends tomorrow.
Oh, I need to buy cookies today.
How will you say you want to buy them?
I would like 2 packets of cookies, please.
Perfect English.
Shopping for snacks is fun.
Yes, now let's talk about payment. You can ask, can I pay with cash?
Can I pay with cash?
Or, can I pay with card?
Can I pay with card?
Good options.
Shopping in English is easy now.
Yes, practice makes it easier. In part 3, we will talk about asking for help, asking for directions, and finding the correct size.
Stay with us and keep listening.
Your English will improve step by step. Hello, Jamil. Are you ready for part 3?
Hello, Jessica. Yes, I am ready.
Great. In this part, we will talk about asking for help, asking for directions, and finding the correct size.
It's important to ask for help in a shop.
Yes, sometimes you need help to find things.
How will I ask for help politely?
You can say, excuse me, can you help me please?
Excuse me, can you help me please?
Very polite.
Thank you.
Welcome back, everyone. Now we are inside the supermarket.
Yes, and I feel more confident now.
That's great. Confidence is very important when learning English.
I agree. Now I want to buy some snacks.
Snacks are fun to buy.
Yes, I like chips, cookies, and chocolate.
Those are very common snacks.
How do I ask for snacks in English?
You can say, where can I find snacks?
Where can I find snacks?
Very good. Or you can say, where is the snacks section?
Where is the snacks section?
Perfect.
I see many types of chips here.
Yes, there are many brands and flavors.
How do I choose?
You can read the label and check the price.
How do I ask the price?
You can say, how much is this packet?
How much is this packet?
Good. Or, how much are these chips?
How much are these chips?
Very natural English.
The price says $2.
That's affordable.
Yes, I will take 1 packet.
Say it politely.
I would like 1 packet of chips, please.
Excellent.
Now I want chocolate.
Chocolate is next to the chips.
I see chocolate cookies and butter cookies.
Which one do you like?
I like chocolate cookies.
Good choice.
How do I say that?
You can say, I like these chocolate cookies.
I like these chocolate cookies.
Nice sentence.
How much are they?
They are $3.
That's okay.
Now, let's talk about discounts.
Yes, I want to learn that.
Discount means lower price.
How do I ask for a discount?
You can say, is there any discount?
Is there any discount?
Good. Or, is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Very common question.
What if the shopkeeper says yes?
Then you can say, that's great. I will take it.
That's great. I will take it.
Excellent response.
What if there is no discount?
You can still be polite and say, okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Politeness is very important in English.
I understand.
Now, let's talk about buying more items.
Okay.
If you buy more, sometimes you get a better price.
How do I ask that?
You can say, can I get a better price if I buy more?
Can I get a better price if I buy more?
Perfect English.
I feel like a real customer now.
That's the goal.
Now I want chocolate.
Chocolate is very popular.
I see many chocolate bars.
You can choose your favorite brand.
How do I say this sentence? I want this one.
You can say, I would like this chocolate bar, please.
I would like this chocolate bar, please.
Very clear.
I'm learning many useful sentences.
Yes, these are daily life sentences.
What about offers?
Offers are special deals.
How do I ask about offers?
You can say, do you have any special offers today?
Do you have any special offers today?
Excellent.
Sometimes I see signs like buy one, get one free.
Yes, that is a common offer.
What does it mean?
It means you buy one item and get another one free.
That's a good deal.
Yes, many customers like it.
How do I say I want that offer?
You can say, I would like this offer, please.
I would like this offer, please.
Very good.
Now my shopping basket is full.
That means you are ready to pay.
I feel ready.
In part 3, we will practice payment and cashier conversation.
That is very important.
Yes, payment conversation is essential.
I will keep listening.
Good. Your English is improving step by step.
Thank you for guiding me.
You're welcome.
Let's continue in the next part.